Dear friends, today we will discuss about how to draw isometric view of circle by 4 center method. Suppose that a circle having diameter 50 mm. Now we have to draw isometric view of this circle. Very first, draw the circle and enclose in a box. Give the name of box. Suppose that it is A, B, C and D. Now mark the center point 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now A, B, C, D is the square. As the diameter is 50, length, width will be same. Now draw a line, horizontal line. Mark any point here on this line. From this point, let it is the A. Draw a line at an angle of 30 degree to the right side. And 30 degree toward left side, means both side. A, it will be the B and A to D. Now we get C point. Draw parallel line to this line from point B. Similarly, draw parallel line to this line from D. Where these lines are intersect, it will be the C point. A, B, C, D is the required isometric view of square ABCD. Now mark the angle also. 30 degree this side and 30 degree this side. Now it is the required isometric view of square ABCD. Now mark the point A, 1, 2, 3, 4 as 1 is in between AB, means midpoint of AB. Mark here, midpoint of AB. 2, midpoint of BC. Similarly, 3, midpoint of DC. Similarly, this. Mark here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now join the 2 to A. Similarly 3 to A. And 2 to 4. 2 to 4. And 1 to C. Where these lines intersect, mark the point. It will be the C1, center C2, center C3 and center C4. Four center method. Now take the compass, put here, take this radius and draw a line, arc. Similarly, from C point, take same radius, now from C point, take this radius to Join this. Put compass here. And join this. It is the required isometric view of circle look like ellipse. So that isometric view of circle always look like ellipse. You can mark the radius, this one. Similarly, this one. You can say it is R1, and from this point, this, you can say R2. Similarly, this radius or this radius. Okay, I am repeating again how to draw isometric view of circle with the help of 4 center method. Very first, draw a required circle, let its diameter 50 mm. Enclose in a box, give the name, suppose A, B, C, D. Mark all centers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now draw a line, horizontal line, mark point at any point here, A, suppose it is A. Now draw isometric view of square ABCD. From this point, draw a line at angle of 30 degree. Mark B here. This point to a left side, draw 30 degree also. Mark D here. From B, draw parallel line to DA. And from D, parallel line AB. Where these two lines intersect, mark the C. ABCD is the required isometric view of square ABCD. Now from here, point A, join to, draw line A2, A3, next C1, C4 and C1. Where these two lines intersect, mark the center point. Let it is C1, C2, C3, C4. They are 4 center. Put compass here, take this radius equal to this or equal to this, mark this. Similarly, reverse this, put compass here, draw this arc. Again put compass here, draw this arc. Same, put compass here, draw this arc. It is the required isometric view of circle which look like ellipse. Thanks. धन्यवाद.